What is PCOS? Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, is not exactly a disease, but more like a mix of symptoms that happen together. It mostly affects people with ovaries and has to do with how their bodies handle hormones and ovulation. Doctors still aren't 100% sure what causes it. How a normal cycle works. Every month, the brain sends out a signal using a hormone called GnRH. This signal goes to a small gland in the brain called the pituitary gland, which then releases two more important hormones: FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone. These two hormones travel through the blood to the ovaries. There, they tell about 6 to 12 small sacs, called follicles, to start growing. Inside each follicle is an egg. As they grow, they release estrogen, a hormone that prepares the uterus lining in case a baby is coming. Usually, one follicle grows faster than the rest and becomes the dominant one. It moves to the edge of the ovary and releases an egg. This is called ovulation. The others simply break down and disappear. After the egg is released, the follicle turns into something called a corpus luteum. This makes progesterone, another hormone that helps keep the cycle balanced and supports pregnancy if it happens. If the egg isn't fertilized, it breaks down, hormone levels drop, and a period happens. What happens in PCOS? In PCOS, the brain sends out GnRH too quickly, like it's hitting the send button again and again. This causes too much LH and not enough FSH. Without enough FSH, the follicles don't grow properly. If they don't grow enough, they don't release an egg. If no egg is released, no corpus luteum is formed. No corpus luteum equals no progesterone equals cycle imbalance. The result? Ovulation doesn't happen, and those follicles turn into tiny cysts on the ovaries. This is where the term polycystic comes from. It means many cysts. The hormone chain reaction. With too much LH, the ovaries also start making too many male hormones, like testosterone. Yes, girls have some too, just in smaller amounts. This causes hair growth in places like the face or chest, hirsutism, acne, irregular or missed periods, trouble getting pregnant. But there's another big player here: insulin. What insulin has to do with it? Insulin is the hormone that helps control sugar in the blood. In PCOS, the body doesn't respond well to insulin resistance, so the pancreas makes more of it. Too much insulin tells the ovaries to make even more testosterone. This causes more symptoms and keeps the cycle going in a loop. Over time, this can lead to prediabetes or even type 2 diabetes. How is PCOS treated? There's no one-size-fits-all cure, but a healthy lifestyle is a great first step. Regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, not smoking. Doctors may also prescribe medications to help manage the symptoms. Birth control pills to balance hormones and regulate periods. Metformin to help control insulin and sugar levels. Spironolactone to reduce extra hair growth. These can help bring back regular periods and may even help with fertility. But they should only be used under a doctor's supervision. In a nutshell, PCOS is a condition where the body's hormone signals get mixed up, making it harder to ovulate, balance sugar levels, and keep periods regular. It can be frustrating, but with the right care, healthy habits, and medical support, people with PCOS can still live healthy, happy lives and even have children if they want to.